Hello everyone, this is RacetimeMon1, and today I'm going to be showing you another one of the mods I'm going to be giving away for my 250,000 view giveaway. So yeah, this is one of them. It's a Crew Cab Wide Load Edition. It's available in the shop under misc. So yeah, what I've done here with this version, I've added wide load caution signs, things to hold it up, and some beacon lights, and they work. You just press the 6 key on your numpad and they'll turn on. And also the lights work, everything works as it usually would with this mod. I didn't really change too much of the mechanics of it. The performance is exactly the same. Pretty much just changed it to be more of a construction truck for maybe like doing a Escort to a semi with a wide load or something. Sort of like you may expect. And yeah, I might do another edit on this mod later in the future. A bumper or something, or some racks or something. But yeah, for now, this is a mod. And yeah, I'm sure you'll enjoy it. It's very useful for construction sites and stuff. Or just driving around, having a good old time. So yeah, the download link will be in the description, so just look there, down below. And yeah, it'll be available as soon as I get up there. It shouldn't be too long. And yeah, if you like this mod and this video, please be sure to like, subscribe, and maybe leave a comment suggesting some future ads or something. I'd appreciate it. Yeah, be sure to share with your friends as well, this video. Yeah, so bye, and I look forward to sharing this mod with you.